Tell me, do you wanna mucho gracias back? I'm curious, what's your like go-to PR song? Let me know down in the comments. Watch the video. Stick around to the end for a special little surprise. All right, so today's video will be just a little bit different. We're mostly gonna talk about deadlift. Well, you shouldn't hold your breath while you're doing your sets. So, a big thing that I learned from another trainer while I was working with him, his name was Mr. Dantastic. You've seen him before in a video, and I'd say, one of the best people I've ever met. He was doing pause deadlifts, and he paused right below the knee. And this allowed to show any fault in form or weaknesses throughout the movement. And it was just a really good exercise to see and break down your deadlift. And also because of that isometric hold there in the middle, it also really helped up his PR. And so personally, right now I'm gonna do some pause reps, especially just right below the knee, because I want a heavier PR. And I'm on a cut, so hitting a PR on a cut's never really likely to happen. I say I'm working on pause reps that helps with strength, form, and today I'm going up to 275. If you do want a stronger deadlift, muscles that need to be stronger and stabilized is first of all the core, so you don't hurt your back, the erector spinae, the glutes, the hamstrings, the quads, your grip, your lats. I mean, it's a full body exercise, but those are some of the most heavy hitters when it comes to the deadlift. So strengthen those and actively practice that deadlift. So that was a quick double for 275. Let's do one more, see how it feels. Hey, if you haven't yet, you should totally subscribe. Thank you. Thank you. No, thank you. No, thank you. Those doubles felt super good. The very last rep on the second set, well, the second rep of the second set. Anyway, that felt little pull, but not like a noticeable. I just could feel like it started tightening up, like, hey, careful. So we're good. On to the next exercise, some micro set pull-ups, which if you don't know what a micro set is, comment down below and I'll tell you what it is. I'm in a room by myself. I go a little crazy. I'm a weird guy. You know, there's that thing a while back going around on TikTok how everyone's like, oh, if you want to get rid of this right here, just mew, which is don't mew. If you mew, I can mew too. Pokemon. I just, this whole thing was just so I could say that.
Boo. Boo, you stink.
Don't do it. You're beautiful the way you are. We are gonna do bent over barbell rows now. So. One thing I don't like about what I just did is I was not leaned over very far. My lower back felt tired. On the next set, if I don't lean over enough,
I will be punished.
why are you so close? Why? Why are you so close? Why? Okay, I'm gonna go work out now, weirdo. Was it better for you? This hurts my butt. My eyes are up here. Okay? Right here. Not. Stop. Just stop. I'm curious, what's your like go-to PR song?
Big Time
know down in
Rush
the
by
comments.
Big Time Rush.
Sorry about the awkward eye contact. The more I looked at myself, the easier it was to stay lower and not come back up because I realized I started coming up. So, thanks for allowing me to use your eyes and face as a mirror. Wash your face, dude. Much better, much better. No, who am I looking at? I don't know which eye to look at. Kind of your fault. I'm just kidding, you're amazing. You're amazing. You're amazing, I'm sorry. I'm sorry, I was so angry. No, I didn't do it again, no. A lot of people debate on what's better, barbell shrugs or dumbbell shrugs. Well, all I have to say is, I don't know. All those I don't knows. Moral of the story is, I don't know. Get it? Because I was shrugging like I don't know. That's grade A humor. Yeah, the power was flickering. Some say I'm so strong. I create a force field of just pure power. Distorts electricity. Trying to hurry, I'm sorry. That hard. You kiss my boo-boo. Kiss it. That was too light. Feels a lot better. Well, everybody, thank you for joining me for a back day and hopefully learning a little something and laughing just a little bit. So, as always, if you liked the video, share it with your workout buddies. If you really enjoyed it, please like the video, subscribe, really helps the channel out. Besides, if you watched it this far, just take the second, hit the subscribe button, share the video. Help me, help me. It's kind of weird. Got a little close again. But thank you again for watching this long. It really does mean a lot. I'm trying to put a lot of effort and energy into this series. And it just means a lot when you guys take some time to watch them. So thank you. Thank you for being here. As always, stay strong, stay grinding, stay smiling. I'll see you all in the next video. This is Shiloh, signing off.